how to download MP3 songs using Google Chrome. Alright, this is a pretty simple video. Just follow my steps very carefully. Alright, open your Chrome. I'm using Chrome. You can use Firefox or any other browser. Right, open Chrome, and from the search you need to type Pixabay. Alright, Pixabay, and this is the result. Just open Pixabay. Now you will find all sort of music pictures here. Just go to this three lines, go to music, and here you will find tons and tons of MP3 music. Right, so if you find the music you are searching for, it's pretty good. So if you find the music you are searching for in this list, there are a lot of musics. Okay, you can search the music name here. If you find it, then pretty good. If you don't find it, then I will show you another place how you can do it. So in order to download a music from here, just tap this download button here and press this download button again. Here the download has been started. So let's see. So this is basically how you download MP3 songs. And if you don't find your songs, if you are searching for a specific song and if you don't find here, let me show you where can you do it. It's not basically download, but it will get the job done. So I have just downloaded the MP3. Go to the files here and you will find your songs here. Right, this is a song I have just downloaded. So if you don't find your music in Pixabay, there is always Spotify. All right, so this is an app where you can simply listen to music songs completely free, but you can't download it. That's the problem. So this is the way you can download or listen to music. So hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.